So, how do we decide with so many things going on at the same time? I would like to share the concept of the OODA Loop. The OODA Loop was a decision making tool created by Colonel John Boyd of the United States Air Force. The OODA Loop will help you focus on available information, putting it into context, and quickly making calculated decisions. It was initially used to train pilots to make time sensitive decisions rapidly when there was no time to gather all the information. Today, the OODA loop has become an important concept in litigation, business, law enforcement, management, and military strategy. The OODA loop consists of four parts: observe, orient, decide, and act. As you can see, this is a cycle that can continue for as long as the situation rapidly evolves. The cycle begins with an observation, which leads a person to orient on possible options, then decide on an appropriate course of action, and finally act on that decision. At that point, the results are observed and the cycle begins again.